Hello my hungry friends, this country-style cake with apricots tastes just like summer. And maybe that's why it's especially good now that summer's almost over. Since it's baked on a tray, it can serve a bigger group. You can also bake it with other fruits, and it tastes absolutely delicious and amazing. For this recipe we will need flour, either wheat or spelt baking powder, and oats, preferably the fine kind, flaky kind, shredded coconut, eggs, brown sugar, and also some butter. Also some white sugar and of course apricots. You can use fresh ones which you'll need to peel and pit, or canned ones too. After draining them, carefully cut them into small, even pieces. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add the white sugar to the softened butter. Mix the sugar and butter well together, ideally using a whisk, then gently add the oats, stirring them in thoroughly. Are we ready for the next step? Let's add the flour and gently stir that in too. We mix until we have a dough that reminds us a bit of a crumbly streusel topping. Now take a baking tray and line it carefully with parchment paper, then spread the dough evenly across its surface. Once this is done, press the dough down firmly to form the base layer. You can use a spoon or your hands for this task, and I'll make sure to do it quickly and efficiently. Then, put the base in the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius 160 for convection for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the delicious filling by carefully adding baking powder to the remaining flour and thoroughly mixing them together. In a larger bowl, crack open 1, 2, 3, and 4 eggs one by one. Add the brown sugar into the mixture and mix them well with the whisk until fully combined and smooth, till it's nice and frothy. Are we good? Now carefully add the prepared flour mixture and then stir it in. Then gradually add the shredded coconut in 2 separate portions, mixing well. Stir these in thoroughly too. Now for the apricots, gently add them and carefully fold them into the mix, using a big spoon or, like me, a dough scraper. The filling is fully prepared and ready to go, and the base has been baked to perfection. Spread the filling evenly and smoothly on top. Smooth it out gently with an offset spatula if you have one readily available at hand. Then back in the oven it goes, baking for another 20 minutes at precisely the very same consistent temperature. And there you have it, smelling absolutely wonderful. Cut it into rectangles or squares and serve it up delightfully. I promise it'll be gone in no time, at least that's what happened to me. I hope you have a great time baking and enjoy your meal.